everyone. Welcome to ccqMap.com. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to do a very quick demonstration on how to download QMap demo version. This software is free, and this is a trial version of QMap Starter. You are very welcome to try this software. Let's start. So first, we need to go to ccqMap.com. I will put the link in the description box below too. So this is the homepage of ccqMap. As you can see, a lot of videos are available here. To download the demo version, let's go to the download tab here, this button. And here's the link, the first one, download demo version. Let's click that. And now let's choose the format of the software, so whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your computer. So for my computer, it's 64-bit, so I will download the second one. Let's click the download link. So as you can see, it's downloading here. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so the software is downloaded. Let's click this and go to the folder. And the installation package is already here. Let's double click that. Bear in mind, this is a safe software. Sometimes your Windows might stop you from opening it, but I can totally assure you this is fine. So just click it, more info, and run anyway. I will just install it to the default location, which is C drive. Click next and install. And yes, click yes here. The installation is very quick, so after that, let's click close. Now let's go to the search button here and type the name. I put demo here, and the QMap demo will appear, and let's click that. Okay, here you go. The software is properly installed and you can start using it right now. You can open any type of picture, say this image here, and start doing your information extraction, like linear analysis, like some example points, maybe the white parts here, and test. Boom, here you go. And you can also include some other points. Test. And you can also use some other display mode and test. Okay, here you go. So this is how you download and install QMap demo. Feel free to give it a try. I think you will like it. Thank you again for being with us today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.